more magical than anything that he or someone could describe to me. I couldn't have thought of a better opportunity as a first-time visit to Capital Factory. So I'm so grateful to be here and hopefully share a few pearls of wisdom that are helpful for the attendees.
These events are important because they put people together who all are kind of looking to improve themselves, and we all can share ideas that have helped us, and kind of it's a mutual improvement between everyone.
There are people successfully doing what I aim to do. And so once you see it and you can imagine it, anything is possible. And the next question is, why not me? I think the second part of events like this is the networking. There are 850 people registered for this event. And so the likelihood of somebody that you're going to need to connect with or could connect with, whether it be a venture funder partner or capability partner of somebody having skills or tools that you need to be successful, or just partnership or encouragements or friendships, the likelihood is very, very high.